the CS2 market keeps getting crazier and crazier, and in 3 days we are going to figure out what's going to happen very quick, and you guys need to lock in and you need to hear everything I'm about to tell you, because this is going to be the Super Bowl of Counter-Strike 2. This is going to be the biggest day in Counter-Strike history that there's ever been, probably since the game was announced. And I'm going to tell you exactly why. If you don't know, everything started, all this crash has started the 23rd. It started the 23rd, so if you have reds at that time, if you already had reds, it doesn't, you're sort of out of the picture, okay? So if you traded your reds up for gold, let's say you have like, let's say you had 100 reds. Let's say you had 100 reds already. That means you did not buy them after the 23rd, after the update. So you went ahead and did trade up contract, 100 reds, 20 gold. You get 20 gold, you're able to instantly sell them. No problem. Not a problem at all. But some people, as soon as they found out this news, all the reds instantly got bought up. So what's that mean? If they instantly got bought up and then they go to craft them, they won't be able to craft or trade for 7 days. And guess what day this comes down to, guys? This comes down to the 30th. So on the 30th, this market, you are going to see an influx of supply come in. And when I mean like influx of supply, this is going to be massive. And there's already crazy price differences from the Chinese markets to the USA markets. And, you know, along with like the currency slippage and stuff too, like this is a big deal. And this is going to be the biggest day in Counter-Strike history, especially in the market history. We're going to see some people panic sell everything that they have. They're going to see some panic sales, and then like once you see some sales that are like crazy low, you're going to see other people are going to get faked out. Like people are going to see, like maybe there's a knife going for, let's say there's gloves going for like $500 normally. So you might see a person just, they might instantly get the gloves from this trade contract that they do on the 30th. They're instantly going to sell them. And you're going to see people try to undercut each other just to get it sold faster so they get the profit, so they get the money faster. So you're going to see some people, let's say, sell at 450. And then the other dude, he's going to put his listed at 430. And then, okay, if no one's still biting, it's like, okay, now you're going to have people start listing at 400, at 350, at 300, just to undercut the other person. And it's like, it almost gets to a point where they're like, they might be making $5 profit, and they're still doing it because they get so scared of what could happen. And it's like, what's there to be scared of? You know, if the market comes down 50% in 1 day, in 2 days, you're scared it's gonna drop another 50%. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. This is like peak fear, but also at the same time, this is where legends are made. Everyone knows that. This is where actual legends are made. And I'm not the only one talking about this. I'm the first person to publicly call this the Counter-Strike 2 Super Bowl. But a lot of people know this is what's going to happen. It's going to be a watch party. Everyone is going to be paying attention on October 30th. And it will be, by far, it will be the craziest day in Counter-Strike 2 history. It will. What are you doing with your skins on October 30th, y'all? What are you doing? Are you buying, selling, doing nothing, trading up? Trade ups almost aren't even profitable now. That's the thing too. Like trade ups at this point, it's like you will get mad. I'm telling you, you will get so freaking mad if you do a trade up. If you trade up 5 reds and you get like a rusty knife, like dude, that's it's bad, man. It's bad. I don't recommend people do it. Like that's, we go into this gambling mindset, and it's like if you look at my past video, you will know what I think about gamblers in the CS2 market. I think those are the people that you profit from. I think that's what makes this market easier than a lot of other markets. It's easier than the crypto market, easier than the stock market. Stock market's pretty easy if you hold good companies, buy and hold good companies. That's where I came from. But like right now, there's opportunity everywhere. Everywhere. You have to buy the right thing at the right time at the right price, you know? And it's easier said than done. I know it is. But guys, the Super Bowl, this is going to be crazy. Like, this is your opportunity. If you're waiting for a huge event to happen, you know, even though we just had this huge crash, if you're not buying right now, if you're waiting, this is the day. You will see, this is the day legends will be made or destroyed. That's the most simple way to put it. Like, you're either going to become a legend from this, you know, if you're buying a dip hard, or it's like, hey, you might be sitting down like maybe 25, 35, 45% loss for a little bit. But it's only a loss if you realize the loss. Because unrealized gain, unrealized loss, it's unrealized. You can sit down 30% for 2 years before it pops up 500. And you know, you wouldn't have taken a loss. So it's like there has to be this balance, guys. If you're waiting for items to get, the 30th is the day. Now the 30th, there's going to be a lot of supply, so I don't expect things to pump like crazy, but I do expect there to be a lot of good deals in the market. And I want you guys to follow me on X because I have no motion, okay? I have no motion on X. I need some. I've been trying to make really good videos for you guys. Dude, that's weird. I bet someone cooked my shit. I bet someone cooked me, because that ain't even showing it. But this is true. Like, is this not true right here? This is what the market is full of. Sorry, but not sorry, it's true. Like, we're putting out a lot of content. I'll give myself a like, y'all. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about this event. Is this going to be the Super Bowl of CS2? And I don't know, like, subscribe, do whatever, drop a comment. Yo, peace.